In second sloka, Bhagavan says, in this way, the saintly kings, the scholar kings, got this yoga through tradition. But through the long passage of time, this yoga has been lost here. So Parantapa, scorcher of foes, Lord Krishna addressing Arjuna. So Lord Krishna gives Arjuna the reason for resurrecting the Gita in this sloka. And he begins by stating that knowledge has come from teacher to student. So if you look at the root cause, we can find cosmic intelligence is the origin of this knowledge. So no one can claim authorship of knowledge. It has been taught for generations together, right from ancient period. It was passed on from generation to generation. But what happened when it was passed on from generation to generation? The original message was distorted. That's a problem. And what happened? At one point of time, the knowledge was lost. So that's what Lord Krishna mentions here. So when the knowledge was passed on by God to Guru, that is, the God taught the firstborn Brahma. Then it was taught, the knowledge was passed on. So from God to Gurus and Gurus to King. The kings like Janaka and Nimi, they were saintly kings. That's why they were able to do their duties without getting attachment to anything. They ruled as a karma yogi because they followed the scripture. They followed the knowledge. They applied the knowledge in their life. That is why they were able to be karma yogi. And when the knowledge was passed on from generation to generation, what happened? That interpretation took place according to one's own blemished perspective. So there was distortion. The purity got contaminated. This is like a rainwater. When it comes from the clouds, it is pure. But when it reaches the ground, what happens? Because it gets mixed with the polluted particles, it is not pure water. So same way, it depends on the person who explains. So even today we find the people who are against the scriptures, they interpret in a different way and they say, what your Krishna has taught people to fight only. Why did he encourage to fight? Only that has been taken by them and they misinterpret and gives wrong knowledge. So this happened. So at one point of time, what happened? This knowledge was lost. Then there was a revival again. Revival by Adi Shankara, Sri Ramanujar, Madhvacharya. Adi Shankara, he took his life risk and got the Vedas. Sri Ramanujar went all the way to Kashmir to write Bhashyam, Sri Bhashyam and Vyakyanam, the explanation for Bhagavad Gita. So he went there to get the original text. It was not possible in those days, walking, and they had to go on foot. And they had to fight against the people who were against the Sanatana Dharma. So they had to manage all that. So because of this devotion, because of their faith in God, they did it. And they had that power too. And what we learn today, what we have today, that is scriptures, that's because of these acharyas. So that is what Lord mentions, that through the passage of time, the knowledge was lost.